Hello everyone, I'm Max, and I'm here with a box set, a limited edition box set, the highest of stakes. Huge box here. A very limited number. I'm not showing the number today, but a very exclusive if you have this box set, and I want to do an unboxing for you. So here we go, let's open it up so we can get a look. You can see, wow, you can see Director's Handbook. Highest of stakes here, limited edition box set, only 555 ever made. The official documentary, highest of stakes, Richard Hart documentary. It's the Director's Handbook, insider's access. Check that out. It has what's in this guidebook. It's kind of just it's like different stories, keywords, the backstory. It talks about how they met Richard, I think, in here as well. We got to interview one of the producers, and we talked a lot about that before as well. Story keywords, Richard in the famous magician hat as well. He did a lot of his self-help stuff there. Different characters, different people in it. Really fascinating documentary. If you haven't seen it, thehighestofstakes.com. You gotta check it out. Richard Hart talks about film storyboards. Man, I really want to take some time to go through this. This is pretty cool. Look at this. The official soundtrack. They put a record in here. They literally put a record. Wow. Beautiful. Just, I don't know if these are songs or they're just quotes or different stuff, but man, this is cool. Richard Hart, dear my God. A scam, fraud investigators, a man and his smut. Amazing. Got a record. How many times do you get a box set of something with a little record in it too? Amazing. Okay, let's get to the good stuff here. Yeah, this is highest of stakes again. I keep the number to myself right now. The highest stakes limited edition. This number of 555. I'm telling you, 555 of these. Amazing. I wonder if Richard got like the gold one. These are all like the regular, the silver, platinum. Maybe Richard got number one. Maybe that was it. I bet he did. That's pretty cool. Then inside of here, this must be DVD set as well. So inside. You got the DVD set, which contains highest stakes on DVD, and also too. So not only a DVD, also have highest stakes on Blu-ray. Super nice packaging here. Wow. I'm gonna open one. I'm gonna open the Blu-ray for now. Highest stakes Muse storytelling. Again, fantastic team, fantastic documentary. If you haven't seen it, it literally has all the faces of people who either appear in it. Or their voices, or in a trailer otherwise. Just amazing quality of work here is just fantastic. You can see here, everything's hexagon shaped, right? Like the attention to detail that went in this, totally worth it, totally worth the money. Even just looking at it, it's just beautiful. So yeah, piece of like thick cardboard, but everything feels well made. It feels nice. Like I can't remember how much these cost. I think they're a few $100s each. I don't remember how much they cost, but I think I'm happy with the quality for sure. The official soundtrack, I'm gonna have to give that a listen. I don't have a record player, but I may have to see if it's online, or if it's probably on the DVD, right? Maybe they put the soundtrack on the DVD as well. Figure that out though too. Super cool. It's more like an art piece or a wall piece than anything else. And insider access, talks about the story, talks about Mikey and Rainey, all the characters, Kelly Pope, Richard Hart, the king himself, of course. Lamont Black, who's now like a HEX economist. Like, he's amazing. What is money? HEX conference. Really cool stuff here. Well done, Muse storytelling. Well done on everything. Highest stakes. Yeah, if you want to see the movie, higheststakes.com. You can go check out the documentary, see what crypto's about, see what HEX is about, Richard Hart, PulseChain, all that stuff. Box set. Super happy with the box set, and really a piece that, and the guy's larger than life. This box is larger than life. It doesn't want me to close it. It wants me to open it and go do some cool stuff. Again, higheststakes.com. Go check out the documentary if you're interested. I don't think you'll be disappointed. You'll be entertained one way or another. That's all I got for you, Max from RHMax.tv.